Hi guys, so this is my everyday makeup tutorial. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up at the end of this video and please subscribe. So I'm using the Milk Hydro Grape Primer. This primer is everything. And this is a color corrector, of course, from LA Pro Concealer, just to correct the dark spot on my skin. IG is not real life. Yes, all these products are going to be listed on the description down below. For foundation, I'm using the Estee Lauder foundation in the shade Chestnut. This foundation is everything. It's everything. And then for the concealer, I'm using the LA Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. Just blending it in. I like to blend with a brush, guys. And then of course this baking powder is everything. Get it? I am using the Huda baking powder in the shade Kunafa. It's everything. For my eyes, I'm using the masquerade palette, Juvia Place. So I use that color as a transition color. I'm going to use the Nomad palette by Juvia still for my lids. And for mascara, I'm using this YSL mascara. It's really good. Then I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me powder just to wipe off that baking powder. Then I'm going to use my Estee Lauder powder just to wipe off the harsh line. Wipe. Then I'm going to add my LA blush because I live for the blush. Yeah, I put on my lashes offline because it's a struggle, guys. That's another. And then I add some highlighter on my nose, put some lipstick. I'm going to put it on the description box below. It's a Sephora lipstick. Then add some Kiko lip gloss because I live for the gloss. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. Please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos because I have a lot more coming and I'm excited. This is my IG handle right here. Please, if you try out this look, tag me. I would love to see how you try it out. And also don't forget to subscribe once again.